How to fix Discord unable to accept invite. So if you are encountering issues with accepting invite on your Discord, so there are several potential fixes you can try. So here's a comprehensive guide to resolve the problem. So first of all, you have to launch your Discord app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Discord app here, so you have to verify the link. So you have to ensure that the invitation link you received is correct and has not expired. Also, you can request a new link from the server admin or the person who sent you the invite. So the second step is that you can also make sure your Discord account is verified. Sometimes unverified account can face restriction. Just go for your profile here and click on the gear icon which is on the top right. Once you are here, just go and click on the account. So here you have to add your email. So you have to check if you have verified your email address associated with your Discord account. So here just go and add your email on your Discord account to verify your Discord account on your Discord. Also you can check your server limit on your Discord. So the Discord server has a maximum capacity. If the server is full, you won't be able to join until someone leaves. Also, you can check your Discord setting. Ensure that your privacy settings are not preventing you from accepting invites. Go to your user setting and here just type on your setting and go for the privacy and safety. And you have to check your setting related to invite and server discovery here. So here you can see that. So you have to allow the direct message from the server member. You have to just toggle it on. Also, you have to ensure that you haven't been blocked by the user who has sent you the invitation link. You can check your blocked user list under your user setting here. Just go and select the blocked user here and you have to make sure that you haven't blocked that user. So you have to ensure you are using the latest version of your Discord app. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Discord on your search bar. Once you have searched for the Discord, if there is any update available, then you have to simply update your Discord app. So after that, you can go for your mobile setting, and on your mobile setting, you have to just scroll down and navigate to your app here. Once you are on your app, go for the Manage App and search for the Discord here. Once you have searched for the Discord, sometime clearing the app cache can resolve the issues. Just go and clear the cache of your Discord. On your mobile, you can clear cache through your device setting. Here you can see that. Also, you can reinstall your Discord. You have to simply uninstall and reinstall the Discord app, which can also resolve many issues related to corrupted files or setting. If none of these above solution works, you might need to contact the Discord support for further assistance. You have to provide them with detail about the issues and any error message you are encountering. So by following this step, you should be able to resolve most issues related to accepting invites on Discord. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.